Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix this site can't reach the error in Google Chrome. Let's fix it guys. Method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type internet option. Click on open it. Go to connection tab and select LAN settings. You just need to uncheck this use your proxy server for your LAN and check mark this automatically detect settings option and select OK. Now go to advanced tab and select the restore advanced settings option. After selecting the restore advanced settings, select apply and OK for save changes. And now you can check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 2, go to search menu and type control panel, click on open it. Select view network status and task and select our connection. Select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties and select this, use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888. In alternative DNS server, type 8844 and click on OK. Now scroll down and uncheck this Internet Protocol version 6. Uncheck it and select those stuff here. Now check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 3, go to search menu and type network reset. Click on open the network reset option and select reset now and select yes and reset your network settings. After doing it, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 4, go to search menu and type CMD, right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Check my video description for this command used in my video, just to copy and paste it one by one. After finishing all these commands, just to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem solved or not. If not, method 5, you just need to open up Chrome and click on the three dot icon and select settings. On left side, select reset settings and select restore settings to their original defaults option and select reset settings option. And now your problem should be fixed. Don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.